Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello viewers, I'm Abdul speaking in front of you from classroom. I want to perform about this illustration. So let's get started. In this illustration, we can see a river. I think this is a river, and three men is swimming. And one man is using the soap. And she's a very hard worker, and old man is washing the clothes. And this man is shoot the dust and dust in his banana cover and mango cover and potato chips and lollipop cover. And this boy is talk that don't shoot dust in this river. And river, I think river right side is a school. I think this is a primary or high school. And back side we can see a coconut tree. So that's all my information. Stay with me for my next video. Bye.